1972. It became the first of 42 chart singles to date. 17 of those records all rated number one. Never Better, which was the number one song for American Country Countdown 11 years ago.
Stereo radio now is CK65 is now coming into the hub node. You'll watch the side of the door there and you will see the voice starting to come out here in just a second. Maneuvers of the loop, the roll, and the spin in the straight line. Very. Now you can see that pole out there. Brian will come down the far line, cover up. Get your camera trained on this. Put it right on those two poles with the ribbon in between it. Brian will roll that to camera. Now with this wind, a little bit on the cross at 45-degree angle. You can see how he's playing it. He's close to the ground. He gets ground effect. Don't get too low there, Mary. And he goes right through it and cuts. Ladies and gentlemen, the ribbon cut. out there in Detroit. And the inventor has stepped out his beautiful, specially painted airplane as he steps out for all you kids. Ladies and gentlemen, Peter Remington. Let's give a big round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give you the official 810. This short field takeoff ability makes the A-10 uniquely capable of operating from small airfields and highways. The A-10's twin General Electric turbofan engines are much smaller than other engines their size and smokeless. This is an outstanding aid in achieving tactical surprise when attacking from very low altitudes. An additional feature that will demonstrate the rolling capability of the A-10. Completing this roll, he will perform a classic maneuver called the Cuban 8. Pulling his aircraft through the vertical, he will position the A-10 45 degrees nose low in inverted flight. Completing this part of the roll, Captain Ross will dive directly at the ground to just 500 feet and then snap the aircraft back into the vertical for the second half of the 16 roll. Follow the path of the A-10 through the sky and then strive the figure 8. In its close air support roll, the A-10 will deliver devastating firepower to destroy targets in close proximity to our ground forces. As Captain Ross completes this half of the Cuban 8, he will perform a level 360-degree turn. This outstanding maneuverability enables the A-10 to work effectively and under marginal weather conditions. The A-10 turn radius in this maneuver was only 1,600 feet. This tight turn radius allows the A-10 to deliver 4 firing ordnance from long ranges and then turn to avoid overflying the threat. The projectile delivers 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20-millimeter round. Captain Ross just 7 missiles, capable of defeating any tank in oil up to 76, 2.75 inch aerial rockets and a turret-mounted 30-millimeter cannon with 1,200 rounds of high explosive ammunition. All weapon systems receive constant corrections to down as he now raises into the wind and will come in for a high-speed pass. Although the Apache is safe for low and slow flight below sea-top level, I'll tell you one thing, Ed, I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end of that weaponry up there.
I tell you, Bill, I just don't know where you'd hide if you had an Apache after you. Aircraft is demonstrating at this point the high-speed capabilities as it crosses stage center of the Apache attack helicopter. On the roll for the assault takeoff. Watch very carefully, ladies and gentlemen, as the C-130 accelerates smartly down the runway.